BMW 3 Series key fob battery replacement. Keep in mind, if your battery has died, you can still unlock the door with your mechanical key. Once inside the car, you can still start the car with the dead battery in your key fob. There's a radio transmitter inside the key that will help you start the car. There you go. But you should replace the battery as soon as you can. So let's take a look and see how that's done. Push the key in to get it out. There you go. To replace the battery in your key fob, you don't need any tools. Everything you need is in your key. You take your key, you squeeze a little button here, you pull your mechanical key out. You're going to use the same key to jiggle the little slot on the side, opening here, and press in, and just give it a little jiggle. That takes the cover off, exposes your battery. There's your 2032. Make sure you have a new battery handy. You take one of those out. You insert positive key up. Put the lid back on. Press in slightly. You put your mechanical key back on. There you have it. Your new key is in. Your new battery is in. Okay, let's test our new battery. Lock works. Unlock works. Let's see if we can start the car remotely without the key. Inside. I'm holding the key just to show. There we go. This is a 3 Series BMW, but this will also work for probably X3 and X5 model year 2009, 2013 approximately. But pretty much most BMW keys work on the same principle.